Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com on Thursday, March 30th. Okay, tomorrow, last day of the month, last day of the quarter, last day you can count on your stocks actually being pushed up. Pretty good. So, okay, let's look at Dave & Buster's here. Sports bars, beer, all that stuff. Really bad food probably too. They reported earnings on the 28th and they guided a little bit lighter, right? So they guided not as good as folks thought, but they beat their numbers, right? So what happens to the stock? Stock ultimately drifts down, but then today the stock started moving higher again. So we don't get to go back 2 days and apply the news then to today's price. In other words, looking at this stock now on March 30th, that lower guidance is already factored into the price of the stock, and the stock is still in demand. It's up almost to where it was pre-earnings. So this is a stock that's in an uptrend. It's come out of a kind of a bit of a volatility squeeze, a little kind of choppy, but really nice volatility squeeze pushing out to the upside. This is strictly just a technical play. From a fundamental standpoint and an IPO standpoint, this was really you can't really say this is the enthusiasm high as I like to talk about, but it was the intermediate high, and then ultimately the stock breaks out. Now it's broken out again here at 50. This is still a stock I think you hang on to quite a bit. I don't know about you, but I feel like watching the NCAA finals at Dave & Buster's, but instead I'll probably just buy the stock. So, okay, members, a lot of stuff is working. We're going to look at Amazon, Netflix, some of the semiconductors, and your requests. So there's a lot of stuff in the strategy session tonight. I want you to get over and check that out.